So in this video, the CX30, we're going to put it into maintenance mode so we can do the rear brakes. You have to do this to do the rear brakes. It's a little bit complicated. Some people are going to find this hard to follow. You just got to kind of review it over and over again in your head so you understand exactly what it is you need to do. It does work. I'm going to show you the video now. So to start with, you're going to light up all the lights, but you're not going to start the engine. Okay, so you're going to let everything come on. Okay, once everything is lit up, you can wait for these noises to go away. That's like the seatbelt signal and all that. But you can see over here the icons. When it's in maintenance mode, there's going to be an icon over here telling us that the e-brake is disengaged. And that indicates that it's in maintenance mode. So the next step is we're going to press the brake pedal down and hold it down, okay? While holding the brake pedal, you're going to press down on the e-brake, and while holding the e-brake, you're going to let up on the brake and press down on the accelerator all the way to the floor, still holding the e-brake. You're going to keep your foot on the accelerator and you're going to press the start button 3 times. Then you're going to get some status information over here on the dash. And when all this stops beeping, you'll see over here the icon tells you the emergency brake has been fully disengaged. That indicates you're in maintenance mode. Now you can go do a brake job.